Hello everyone. So we're back down at the breach today. It's another windy day, as you can probably hear. So you'll have to forgive any wind noise on the mic. To start the day off, I'm going to just quickly check on the leak that we discussed yesterday. Now the flying might have to be a bit more careful than normal due to the wind, but we'll try our best. Not ideal timing. So yeah, we'll just be nice and careful here. I might go down and just have a look, seeing as it is so windy. So I'll put that clip in here just so you can get a real close view. Now, as you can tell, nothing has changed since yesterday with the leak. If anything, it looks like the pump is pumping out more water. Now that to me would be a bad sign, obviously. But yeah, whether they'll... I don't know if they're going to attempt to fix that quickly. You know, I'm sure with these videos going up and everything, they'll certainly be aware, you'd hope. So yeah, now we'll just quickly check on these two as well. Now it looks like that one boat has been pushed off to the side a little bit. Whether that's just it's a bit moored up slightly loose, or saying that, them ropes don't look tied at all. If anyone knows if that's meant to be like that or not, then do give us a shout. We saw yesterday as well when we were a bit closer down there. I don't know if you can tell from here, but there's a bit of glare. Yeah, just there under the water there's a large lump of sand. Now I don't know whether that's the pumps that have pushed that to that little spot or why that's happened, but yeah, it's weird to say because it's very obvious from the side, and it certainly can't have been like that before the breach, because the boats would be crashing into it all the time. But yeah, another closer look just at the side of this Coffer dam. We saw as well, if you can see those metal bits under the dam, or just under the water there, and pushing up against the tarp. Why that's there, I certainly won't be to put weight on it. It's got more than enough weight on it. So yeah, once again, if you know what that is, then do give us a shout. A couple of the things to talk about as well. Firstly, that Pacemaker is back in the water at the marina that they were taken to. So that is a great sign. I know that work is being done to it and has been done to it. So that's certainly a good sign for what's to come next week, hopefully. And yeah, like I said in yesterday's video, feel free to subscribe if you're not already, and that'll keep you updated for next week's hopefully interesting video related to Pacemaker. So we'll see about that. And just another one from yesterday as well. Thank you to everyone that has subscribed so far. It means the world to me. So thank you very much, and also got super thanks again. Really do appreciate it. And yeah, I'll get the names, and I'll probably start putting them at the end of my videos or something. Up until this point, it's been such a whirlwind that I haven't really had time to do anything like that. I saw this edit in yesterday's video as well, with this stuff that was left on the side. Whether that's from Sefton or Ganymede, I'm not sure. But yeah, going back to the Coffer dam, as I said yesterday, around the sides to stop it from leaking, they jammed sandbags into the side like so. Perfect that we've got like a Blue Peter example right in front of us, just like that. And that's obviously to keep the water from getting down that side part, but whether it'd be that bit where the sandbags are jammed in or around the side and it's just leaking through the bottom, not sure. I hope you can hear me. It is very windy. Just having to keep a good eye on my drone here. But yeah, so that's how they look. That's how it looks underwater. A lot of sandbags actually. In tomorrow's video as well, weather permitting, I've been contacted asking for a bit of measurements on the canal. Now with the drone that I use, the DJI Mini 3, it does give GPS distances and heights and everything, so I will be easily able to do that. And yeah, so as long as the wind dies down, I will get inside the breach with the drone, get some proper measurements of it all. So height from the lowest point, be a bit harder now it's full of water, but I'll give it a good guess. And then certainly from one edge to the other, I'll have a look at that as well. So keep tuned for tomorrow's video if you're interested in that, as well as any other updates that are going on tomorrow. So we'll have a quick look. Now there's no workers here today that I can see. As you can imagine, with it being a Saturday, it's yeah, not very busy with them. So that's what the breach is looking like. Also, I obviously went through the field to get down here, and I checked on the water level with my sticks, which was a great idea from a subscriber, and I'll put that in this bit of the video. Now, as you can tell, despite all the rain we've had, and we have had a lot, it has dropped again, which is great to see. And I've put another stick in as well, just to get like an end of January kind of example, see how quick or slow it's dropping between each day. There's me, would you believe it? Hello. So I will finish this video off again the usual way, with a nice cinematic shot. Now I won't be able to go that high just because it is so windy, but I'll do my best for you. So I'll get nice and right above me, just so if it does get blown away, it's not going to go into the canal. Now with the DJI Mini 3, it is a great little drone, but it does not deal well with the wind. I'd love to get like an Air 3S or something like that, but very expensive, so that is not going to happen anytime soon. So yeah, I'll do the usual with this bit of the video and just put some ambient sounds of the canal that I recorded the other day when it wasn't so windy. So enjoy. Now to finish it off, I just want to point out one thing I found interesting yesterday was these footpaths and how over the years they've been worn away with everyone's tracks, and you can just see how everyone has worn a groove into it. But yeah, thank you everyone for watching, really do appreciate it. Hope you have a great weekend and I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, take care.